Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So this sounds like a fun, looks like a fun problem. We have 15x squared times y minus 3xy squared minus 12xy. So the first thing I'm going to do is want to look for my GCF, see if I can factor out a GCF. And a GCF is going to be factoring out what terms they have in common. And to do that, I'm going to look at each of these terms and variables separately. So as far as the numbers, I see, all right, and looking at the numbers, what is the largest number that evenly divides into both of these terms? Well, we have 15, negative 3, and 12. So the largest number that divides into all of them was going to be equal to 3. Then I look at my variables, and I'll start with x. What is the largest power of x that evenly divides into all of my terms? And you guys can see in this case, I have x. Then I look at y, and again, I want to identify what is the largest power of y that evenly divides. And they all have a y, so the largest power is just going to be y. So I'm going to divide each one of these terms by my GCF. Okay? So when I factor out my GCF, basically I'm dividing it, and I'm multiplying my GCF. I'm multiplying what I just divided out by the quotient of what's going to be left over. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. X squared divided by x is x. Y divided by y is going to 1. Then I have minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. X divided by x is x. Y cubed divided by y is y squared. Then lastly, I have minus 12 divided by 3, which is 4. X divided by x is 1. Y divided by y is 1. Okay? So now I can, now I'd like to do is rearrange these in order. I'm also going to factor out the negative. So I make that negative, and then I'm left with y squared minus 5x plus 4. Okay? Now I see I have a trinomial. So my instinct is to naturally want to see, can I further factor this problem down? However, there's not going to be any terms that I'm going to be able to multiply that will have y squared as the first two terms, and then get us to 4, but then have an x in the middle term. So therefore, this is my final factored form of this polynomial. Thanks.